Hello everyone. Today I will show ZPA posture check integration with the CrowdStrike ZTA. So CrowdStrike ZTA delivers a real-time security posture assessment across all endpoints regardless of their location, network and user. Falcon ZTA enables enforcement of dynamic conditional access based on device health and compliance check that mitigates the risk to the users and organizations. So every endpoint is granted the least privileged access and is accessed before gaining access to the sensitive data and corporate assets, ensuring that the zero trust enforcement across all endpoints. And by expanding the zero trust beyond authentication and including device security, Falcon ZTA helps organizations to maintain the holistic cybersecurity approach that protects their data and users from sophisticated tactics of cyber adversaries. So ZPA utilizes the CrowdStrike ZTA using the device posture, and the device posture score only allows the compliant endpoints to access the selected private applications. ZPA checks for any change in the CrowdStrike device posture score as the posture may change over time. So ZPA achieves this conditional access by evaluating the ZPA access policies, which in turn reference the device level posture check profiles, and the admin can specify the minimum ZTA score that is needed for an endpoint to be granted access to the internal applications that are referenced in the ZPA access policies. So unless the endpoint ZTA score is greater than or equal to the threshold referenced in the access policies, ZPA will block that application access from that host. So let's hop on to the setup here. So we have this user that is connected on ZCC. So and these are the device postures that are already configured and they are referenced in the policies here. So I have two policies. One is this policy number 2, which says that the device has to have a minimum ZTA score of 40 to access this internal Sugar CRM application. And then the next policy is saying that a similar policy, but it says that for users to access this own cloud internal application, your ZTA score has to be minimum 80. So the VM that I'm using for this demo is having a score between 40 and 50, so it meets the minimum requirement to access the Sugar CRM, which is a ZTA score of 40. So that's why the access to Sugar CRM is allowed. But since my score is below 80, which is the minimum score required to access the on cloud application, so you could see that this application is denied or blocked. So this shows quickly that how we can have the ZTA score integrated and used in the access policies to have more granular control of what applications are allowed for the users, and they are incorporated in the ZPA access policies. So hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks and have a great day.